stranger. Tell me something about your mom. Something that makes you happy. How are you feeling? Okay. Sore. The pain will subside after a few days. In the meantime, don't forget to take your antibiotics and drink plenty of fluids.
Yeah, thanks, Megan.
And be sure to get...
But what if there was a toy that did a genuine, spontaneous response, that had a mind all of